In this video I'm going to show you how to use Vicks Vapor Rub for beard growth. Many people use Vicks Vapor Rub to help beards grow better and thicker. Before we have a look at the science behind Vicks as a hair growth trend, let's see exactly how it's being used for hair growth. The idea is you can just take a tiny pinch of Vicks Vapor Rub and start massaging it into your beard, but specifically on the skin where your beard is growing from. Depending on how thick your beard is, you might have to part the hair to apply the product directly on your cheek and throat area. You can use as much Vicks as is needed, but be careful not to spread too much around your mouth area as you may start to ingest it. Once you've applied it to your skin, wait about 15 to 20 minutes and then have a shower to wash it off with regular shampoo. So why are people using Vicks Vapor Rub for beard growth? Well, the main benefit is it stimulates blood flow to the skin, promoting hair growth. Let's take a look at the products within Vicks. Camphor oil is extracted from the wood of the camphor laurel tree, which is known as an evergreen tree in Asia. It's highly flammable and is widely used as a religious burnt offering in India. White camphor oil is especially good as a therapeutic treatment for controlling thinning, fragile and breaking hair. The oil stimulates the blood circulation in the scalp and thus helps in strengthening the hair and restoring a natural shine to it. Here are some of the benefits of using white camphor oil for hair growth. Regular massaging of the scalp with camphor oil is very beneficial for hair growth. Camphor oil when mixed with other herbal oils helps in healthy hair growth as well as relaxing your mind and body. Adding camphor oil to your routine of regular hair care can give you strong and shiny hair that can become the envy for others. Also, camphor oil is highly beneficial in cases where hair is falling because of viral conditions or bacterial and fungal infections. Camphor fights naturally with viruses and fungus to bring back strong, healthy and shiny hair. Many people like the smell of camphor oil as well and provides a calming effect. Regular use of camphor oil should be accompanied with plenty of water, a nutritious diet and adequate rest for its complete benefits in the growth of hair. The next one on the list is eucalyptus oil. Follicles are tiny openings from where our hairs grow. Eucalyptus oil has many chemicals that promote blood vessel constriction and cleansing. This process in turn promotes follicle stimulation. The stimulation promotes hair development. The basic idea circles around getting even more blood flow to the skin around the follicles. Eucalyptus essential oil is a proven follicle stimulant. Eucalyptus oil improves shine, thickness and overall health of your hair. However, too much can reduce the shine and result in a greasy scalp. Many experts suggest using eucalyptus oil for the hair an hour or so before bathing and then using a good shampoo to remove the residue, followed by a good conditioner. The last active ingredient in Vicks Vapor Rub is menthol. Menthol is usually obtained from the peppermint plant and is widely used in medical and cosmetic industries for various purposes. Menthol is the third active ingredient in Vicks due to its cough suppressant and analgesic properties. Peppermint oil is used in shampoos, cleansers, bath products, makeups and lotions, but the benefits of peppermint may go beyond cosmetics. Though research is limited, peppermint oil could hold promise as a hair growth treatment. A study published in Toxicological Research suggests that peppermint oil solution promotes hair growth. The peppermint oil used performed better than the standard hair growth product approved by the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA. This is because peppermint oil has been shown to increase blood flow to the area where it's applied. Another study in the microvascular research found that a 4% menthol solution caused blood vessels to widen, which increased blood flow. Though this is not directly linked to hair growth, better blood circulation in the skin could in theory encourage more hair to grow in the affected area. If you want to use Vicks as a hair growth and beard product, it's best to use it over a 2 to 3 month period as it takes time to work, and don't use it more than 2 to 3 times a month. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended time limit for those who claim to have had success with it. However, here's a warning for all those beauty gurus. The bottom line is Vicks is not designed for hair and is not recommended by the manufacturer to use it for this. The bottom line is eucalyptus oil, camphor oil and menthol found in Vicks could provide some stimulation and follicle cleansing effect to the scalp. But it's important to remember that camphor oil found in Vicks is synthetic and not in its purest form. And it's also important to remember that Vicks contains petroleum, which is used in cosmetic products such as Vaseline. It's used for its sealing properties. Therefore, it might be better and safer just to make your own DIY vapor hair oil using a few drops of eucalyptus oil, camphor oil and peppermint oil, with a choice of your carrier oils such as jojoba oil, olive oil or almond oil for your beard. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use Vicks Vapor Rub to grow a better, stronger beard, and I hope you found it interesting. If you have, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, you're going to enjoy the next video on 27 amazing benefits of Vicks Vapor Rub. Thanks for watching and bye for now.